Good morning, beta. We have completed what the states of matter. In states of matter, we are seeing the what solids, liquids, and gases. Okay, and activity also we have done. Now we will go for the changes of states, beta. In this these properties of solids, liquid, and gases are stated first. Properties of solids, liquids, and gases. So what are the properties we see here, and what are the solids, liquids, and gases? Okay. Property. What are the property first we'll see? In solid, liquid, and gas. Okay. So first we will see what is the property here? Shape. Next one, they are having the solids are in fixed shape. Liquids take the shape of the container. They will take the shape of the container, I said no. Yes, liquids will take the shape of the container. And gases, no fixed shape for them. They will, okay. In solids, they will take the shape. They are fixed. In liquid, they will take the shape of the container beta. Liquids no. What are the liquids? Milk, water, like that. And gases, they will spread all over the room or anywhere in the air. Okay. Next one is solids or volume. Volume. How is the volume in this? Volume is fixed. In solids, it is fixed. In liquids, also fixed. And gases, they not having the not fixed. They are not fixed volume. Okay. See, what are the property of the solids? Over in the shape we are taken. Next one is volume beta. Volume beta. What is the volume? In solids, the volume is fixed. In liquids also the volume is fixed. In the gases they are not fixed volume. Next one, space beta. They will have the space between the molecules. Between molecules. In solids, negligible beta. Negligible. Space means somewhat little bit this. Little bit space will be there. So in solids they are in fixed shape. Yes or no? Air also won't go, they won't have the space in the molecules. Next one, there are some space is there in this. In this, some space is there. But in the gases, lot of space is there. The gases, lot of space is there. Okay. Next one, attraction between the molecules. What is the property of the attraction? Attraction between molecules. In solids, very strong it will be there, beta. Very strong attraction is there in the between the molecules, but not so in liquids, not so strong beta. They are not so much strong in the liquids. In gases they are very strong. In gases they are very weak. Sorry. See, are very strong, but in the liquid somewhat strong, not so much like solids. But in gases they are very weak. They are very weak attraction between the molecules. They are very far between them. Next one, movements of the molecules. Movements of the molecules. Movements of the molecules. Only in the mixed they have, I said in the solids of the molecules will be there like this, I said no. With little gap will be there. They will vibrate in this only. They take the correct step, but they will vibrate here only. Only vibration will be there. Only vibrate at their fixed position only. At their fixed position. In this move around them, in the move around within the liquid, around within the liquid, around within the liquids. So here how are the molecules better? I showed like this. They have a space. They are having some space. They are not so much strong here. Okay? In these gases, you will see move freely better. In the gases, they move freely. In the gases, they move freely in all direction. In all direction. Okay? See here. I will show the molecules in this. Like this they are wearing this, and here what will be there, they are having the fixed shape. Somewhat they are very strong, but they are only they will vibrate in between their position only. Okay? Once again I am repeat better. The properties of solid, liquid and gases. First property is shape. In solids they are fixed. In liquids they will take the shape of the container. And in gases they are not in the fixed shape. Next property is what? Volume. In solids they are fixed in volume. In liquid also fixed, and in the gases they are not having fixed volume. Next one, space between the molecules better. In solids they will take the shape, but there is no space between the molecules. In liquids there is somewhat space better. Yes or no? In the molecule there is somewhat space, but in the gases there is lot of space in the molecules. Next one, attraction between the molecules better. And here the molecules are very strong, and here the molecule not so much strong. But in both in the gases they are very weak. Last one, movements of the molecules better. In the solids, only they have what better? They only vibrate. They vibrate the molecules. On the fixed position only they will vibrate. But in the liquids, they will move around within the liquids only. They move within the liquids only. But in the gases, they are moving freely. Why? Because they are having space more in that direction they can, as they want, they will go in the gases. Okay? With this we have completed the changes of matter states of matter. Now go for the changes of states better. Okay? We have completed. Now we'll go for the changes of states better. Change of states. Okay? You have already seen how water changes into water vapor. Yes or no? On heating and to ice on cooling we are seeing. And matter can change from one state to another when it is heated or cooled. The following are the different changes of states that can occur butter. First we go for the melting. First we will see about the melting. Okay, when a solid is heated, it smells to form a liquid. Yes or no? Now I have taken solid means what? Ice cube. I have taken the ice cube beta. Ice cube. What I have done when I heated for this. I heated. Then what became this? Changes into liquid. Yes or no? Means ice came into water. When we heat, it changes. No, it has melted. Ice heated. When we heated this ice, it became into water. Okay. Now have you tried putting butter on a hot stove system? Yes, seen a butter. How it will be very? It like a solid. Yes or no? When we heat it for this, it will become into liquid. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So what happens to it? It melts. This when we heat it is melting. Or butter is melting. It came into liquid form. So if you leave ice cream also, you can take the example as a ice cream. Same. If it is in the fridge, you can see ice cream. When we keep outside, what will happen from the heat? It can melt. Yes or no? This is also comes into the liquid form only. And example bags. Bags also. When we heat or when we melt it for this, what will become? It will also become. It comes into liquid form only. Okay. The process by which here melting is called the process by which a solid changes. Solid is changing now. See, ice is changing. Changes into a liquid. On heating is called melting. So example what I said, ice, butter, ice cream and wax. The process by which a solid changes into a liquid means solid is not ice, butter, ice cream, wax. Yes or no? When we heated this, what came? They are melted. They melted or they came into liquid form. They melted. It came into liquid form. So what is called as? They are called as a melting. The process by which a solid changes into a liquid on heating. On heating only the liquid changes now. Yes, the solid changes. So it is called a melting. Okay. When solids are heated, the molecule starts vibrating better. When the solid, now the molecules, how are the molecules in the solid? They are very tightly. Yes or no? When we heat them, what will happen? The vibration, they move small gap will come. Yes or no? They move. If they will be vibrating by faster. They are able to overcome the strong force of attraction between themselves. So they start moving around them only. They start moving around them. This is how solid changes into liquids on heating. Okay? Understand all of you? Okay, beta. What we have seen melting. Melting is when a solid is heated, it melts to form a liquid. Have you tried putting butter on a heat? Yes. We have on a toast. What happens? It is melting. What happens to it then? It melts. Then ice also. If we heat, it also will melt. And butter also will melt. Example, ice cream I gave, wax I gave better. The process by which a solid changes into a liquid on heating is called melting. Okay? Here I show solid. Solid is what? Ice. Example, ice. What we are doing for them? We are melting. Yes or no? Melting is it came into liquid form. Yes, again we can change this also. Melting means heating also you can write. Yes or no? Solid, wax, ice cream, any example you can take. Means whatever the will melt, that items you can take better. Okay? Ice cream, butter, wax, like that we can take the example for the changing of the solid will change into a liquid. Okay? So when solids are heated, the molecules start vibrating, I said. Okay? They are able to overcome the strong force of attraction between themselves. They start moving around them. This is how solid changes into liquids on heating. Next, evaporation is there better. In the next class, I will be better. Now I will be the hard words. Take your classes. Okay? Take your classes and write the hard words better. What I said today's topic, from that only I will be the hard words. Write the lesson name and heading hard words. Okay? First one, already. A-L-R-E-A-D-Y, already. Water vapor. Water vapor. Third one, heated. H-E-A-T-E-D, heated. Fourth one, melting. M-E-L-T-I-N-G, melting. Fifth one, similarly. S-M-I-M-I-L-A-R-L-Y, similarly. Sixth one, vibrating. V-I-B-R-A-T-I-N-G, vibrating. Seventh one, faster. F-A-S-T-E-R, faster. Eighth one, moving. M-O-V-I-N-G, moving. Once again say with me. A-L-R-E-A-D-Y, already. A-L-R-E-A-D-Y, already. Then do A-T-E-R, water. V-A-P-O-U-R, vapor. Water vapor. Next, H-E-A-T-E-D, heated. H-E-A-T-E-D, heated. Next, M-E-L-T-I-N-G, melting. M-E-L-T-I-N-G, melting. S-I-M-I-L-A-R-L-Y, similarly. S-I-M-I-L-A-R-L-Y, similarly. Vibrating. V-I-B-R-A-T-I-N-G, vibrating. V-I-B-R-A-T-I-N-G, vibrating. F-A-S-T-E-R, faster. F-A-S-T-E-R, faster. M-O-V-I-N-G, moving. M-O-V-I-N-G, moving. Okay? Okay, beta. Same homework I am giving. Same homework. One time in class work to write. Okay? Okay? Thank you, children. Okay, beta. Same homework I am giving. Same homework. One time in class work to write. Okay? Okay? Thank you, children.
Good morning, ma. See, the 50 lakh social climate lesson we have completed, right? So, what we learned in that lesson, we learned about the climate, ma. Climate and the factors that are affecting the climate, everything we completed, including the A bit. Now, I am going to give you the B bit, that is right T for true and F for false sentences. Okay? There's no need of writing in the classroom, ma. Just write in the textbook. First one. Climate changes from day to day. Second one. The air in deserts has low humidity. Third one. During the summer months, days are longer near the equator than far away from it. Fourth one, most places in the temperate zone have a mild climate. Last one, the climate near the equator is hot and wet. So these are the true or false data. Write T for true and F for false sentences. Okay. So see here, climate changes from day to day. The given climate changes from day to day. Is this correct? No. Weather changes from day to day. But the given climate changes from day to day. Is it correct or no? So write F here. Now see the second one. The air in deserts has low humidity. The air in deserts has low humidity. It is true, no? Write T. During the summer months, days are longer near the equator than far away from it. Yes. Why? Because near the equator, the sun rays will fall straightly. No, that's why during the summer months, what will happen? Days are longer near the equator than far away from it. So write T here. T means true. Next, most places in the temperate zone have mild climate. Yes, right? T. Mild means not very cool, not very hot. Next, fifth one. The climate near the equator is hot and wet. It is true. So see here, climate changes from day to day. The given actually weather changes from day to day. That's why it is false sentences. So for false, we need to write F. Next, the air in deserts has low humidity. Why they have low humidity? Why? Because in the deserts the climate is very hot. That's why it has a low humidity. So the air in deserts has low humidity. The given, yes, it is true. Next, third one, you see during the summer months, days are longer near the equator than far away from it. Already we discussed in the lesson that near the equator the sun rays will fall straightly. That's why near the equator the climate will be very hot and wet, right? So the days will be longer than the far away from climate of a place is affected by what? Distance from the equator, distance from the equator, humidity, height above sea level, D, all of this. Next, second one. Which of these zones receive the maximum heat from the sun? Tropical zone, frigid zone, temperate zone, all of these receive equal amounts of receive equal amounts of heat. Now next, third one. A city is expected to have a moderate climate if it is near the equator, near the sea, near the mountains, near the poles. Fourth one, if the latitude of a place is 30° north, it lies in a tropical zone. B, north temperate zone. C, frigid zone. D, south temperate zone. Fifth one I'll write there. A city lies on the equator. Its climate is expected to be cold throughout the year. Hot in summer and cold in winters. Neither very hot nor very cold. Cold. So, see multiple choice questions. See the first one, the climate of a place is affected by what? Already we discussed in the lesson that the factors affecting the climate we discussed. So, in that what we learned, distance from the equator is there, humidity is there, okay, height above the sea level is there. Then what is the correct answer here? These are all correct answers. So, what is the option here? D, all of these. So, write D here, all of these. Okay, the climate of a place is affected by what? Distance from the equator, humidity and height above the sea level. That's why the option is all of these. Option is D. Next see the second one. Which of these zones receive the maximum heat from the sun? What is the question? Which of these zones receive the maximum heat from the sun? So they given some zones here. So what are the tropical zone, frigid zone, temperate zone, and all of these we receive the equal amounts of the heat. So which is the correct answer? So which of these zones receives the maximum heat from the sun? Tropical zone, frigid zone, temperate zone, all of these receive the equal amounts of heat. Which is the correct answer? Tropical zone. Why it will receive the maximum heat? Why? Because tropical zone lies under the equator, no? That's why tropical zone will receive the maximum heat from the sun. So write A here. One more time you see, they given some zones better. They are asking which zone will receive the maximum heat from the sun. So tropical zone they given, frigid zone, temperate zone, and all of these they given. So tropical zone is nearer to the equator. That's why it will receive the maximum heat. When it comes to frigid zone, it is near the poles. Near the poles, how the sun rays will be? It will be slanting. So frigid zone will not receive the sun maximum heat, and temperate zone also will not receive the maximum. Maximum means here only tropical zone. So option is A. Now you see third one. A city is expected to near a moderate climate if it is that near the equator, near the sea, near the mountains, or near the poles. See the question again. A city is expected to have a moderate climate better. Moderate climate means neither too hot nor too cool. So which is it is near the equator or near the sea or near the mountains or near the poles. Which is the answer? Near the sea. If the city is nearer to the sea means it will receive the it will be expected to have the moderate climate. So near the sea is the answer. Example also we discussed about Mumbai in the lesson. Okay. Next see the fourth one. If the latitude of the place is 30 degrees north, it lies in which zone? Tropical zone, north temperate zone, frigid zone, south temperate zone. Here N is nothing but north better. So here it is clear that here only the given north temperate zone. So the latitude, if the latitude of the place is 30 degrees N means it lies in which zone? North temperate zone. So option is what? B. North temperate zone. See the last one. A city lies on the equator. Its climate is expected to be hot throughout the year. Yes, if the place, if any region is nearer to the equator or on the equator means it hot, not too cold. So answer is tropical zone. And one more time we see third one. A city is expected to have a moderate climate. If it is moderate means neither too hot nor too cool. When it will be like that, when it is nearer to the sea means it will be having the moderate climate. So option is B. And if the latitude of the place is 30 degrees north, it lies in which zone? North temperate zone. Here L itself indicates that it is north. That's why the north temperate zone. Okay. Now you see the last one. A city lies on the equator. Means it is on the equator. So what will be its climate? Its climate will be hot throughout the year. A city lies on the equator. Its climate is expected to be which? Hot throughout the year. So by this we have completed A bit in the last class only. B bit we completed and multiple choice questions also completed. So total lesson is completed, ma. Next class I will start the fifth lesson. Thank you.
Okay students, this is Pawan Sudha Kancharla. As a maths teacher, I am going to explain class 5 mathematics third chapter A exercise third bit. Here find subtraction and verification with addition. Okay, our getting answer correct or not? How to do better? With addition. First we have to find subtraction. Okay better, see here now subtraction. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digit number. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit number. Okay, you write this one. See, 1,93,568. Subtract from this number 1,93,568 and subtract this number 85,681. Write like this order. From start, see, you write down of 98, down of 35, like this you write, because this 6 digit number, 5 digit number. Okay now? Next, subtract from last to first better. See here, 8 minus 1, 7, 6 minus 8. 6 minus 8 means here, not going, 6 is less than 8 now. Take borrow from 5. It becomes 16. 16 minus 8, 8. 1 gave now, here 4 left. 4 is less than 6. Therefore, you take again borrow from left side. It becomes 14. 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6, here 8. 1 gave now, here 2 left. 2 is less than 5. Take from borrow left side. 2, it becomes 12. 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5, 7. 1 gave now, here 8 left. 8 minus 8, 0. 1 as is. 1,07,887. Verification with addition. Verification with addition means these two numbers, are added. We will get this number 1,93,568 number getting or not. We have to do. See verification. See here 1,07,887 and 85,681. 8 digits number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here to start. 85,681 and 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 1 carry. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 5 right. 1 carry. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 3 right. 1 carry. 1 plus 8, 9. 1 as this. Now you check better. 1,93,568 we got no answer. Correct answer. Therefore our problem is correct. Understood now better? Understood now? Next H prime as this. Subtract from this number. Okay? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digit number. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit number. You count from last to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You write from down of 1, 8. 1, 4, 5, 6. Subtract. From last to first. See here 1 less than 6 na. Take borrow from 7. It becomes 11. 11 minus 6, 5. Already 1 given us 6 left here. 6 minus 5, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. 4 minus 1, 3. 1 less than 8 now. It is not going to take power from 3. Okay? It becomes 11. 11 minus 8, 3. Okay? 1 gave now, here 2 left. Next, verification. Verification with addition now. I said now, these two numbers add. See, first write largest number. 2,33,115. This 6-digit number, 5-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down of 3, start this one. 8, 1, 4, 5, 6. Add. 5 plus 6, 11. 1 right, 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 5, 7. 1 plus 4, 5. 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 8, 11. 1 right, 1 carry. 1 plus 2, 3. This is our required answer. But check 314571. 314571. We got no answer. Therefore, same like that only. Third bit remaining all homework. Third bit remaining all homework. 2 problems I said now, remaining problems. So all problem like this only do. Okay, beta. Copy this all of you. Fourth bit beta, third bit finished. Fill up the blanks. Fill in the blanks or fill up the blanks. Very easy beta this one. They given one table here. 10,000, 1,000, hundreds, tens, ones. 6 dash 6 dash dash 1 5 dash 4 6. Just you do subtraction. Same like that only B bit beta. B bit somewhat confusion there here. Lakhs, 10,000, thousands, and hundreds, hundreds, tens, one. Just once they given here 2 dash 4 dash 8. Next dash dash 6 8 7 dash. Next they given dash 6 dash dash 2 7. Students, consider here. Here anything not given. We find two methods, addition and subtraction. Here anything not given here, just anything not given. We just simply the given box here. Fourth bit beta, fill in the blanks. These two problems I am going to explain. Very easy problems. A1 very easy, B1 somewhat confused. See, they given A1 you have to subtraction given. B1 anything not given. Means you find addition and subtraction also. Addition and subtraction also. See beta here subtraction given. Okay, 0 there beta. Here 6 there. From what number to subtract 6? 0 getting beta. Tell me. Same number means only it is 0 getting now. 1 minus 1 0. 2 minus 2 0. Like that only. 6 minus 6 0. Here what right beta? Underline. 6 minus 6 0. Next beta 8 there. From what number to subtract 4? We will get 8 beta. Tell me. From what number to subtract 4? We will get 8. Tell me. Simple. 12 minus 4 8 na. 12 means you have to write here 2. 12 means we have to write 2. We have to take borrow from here na. It becomes 12 na. Here 5 left. From 5 to how much subtract means 1 getting better? 5. 5 here 5 1 gave na. 5 left. 5 minus what number? We will get 1. 5 minus 4 1 na. Here 4 writing. Are you getting better? Next this is finished. Here 2 there. From what number to subtract 5? 2 we will get. From what number to 5 subtract 2 get 7 minus 5 2 na? Here write 7. Next 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 5. This is our required answer. Are you clear beta? Understood na? Understood na? Next these problem anything not given we have to find two ways. Addition we have to find and subtraction also we have to find. Subtraction also we have to find it. Same method see beta. Lakhs, 10,000, thousands, 100, tens, ones. Same as this see beta here. Addition find and subtraction also find. This is they didn't mention anything subtraction addition. We have to find two ways, two methods. Dash 2 dash 4 dash 8. Next dash 6 8 7 dash. Next dash 6 dash 2 7. This is you have to take subtraction. They didn't given na. We have to find two ways, addition and subtraction. First we have to see beta. From 8 to how much subtract means 7 getting general thing. 8 minus 1 7. You write here 1. You write here 1. 8 minus 1 7. Next from what number subtract 7 getting 1 only. 8 minus 1 7. Next 7. From what number to 7 subtract 2 getting better? Tell me. 9 minus 7 2 na? You write here 9. You write here 9. 9 minus 7 2. Next here very easy. 4 minus 8. Take one borrow from left side. It becomes 14. 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8 6. Here 1 took na borrow here. You took borrow na? Miss 1 we took borrow. Here what left side here? Tell me. Okay. What number taking sir? Here what number coming? Simply we will see here. From what number to 6 subtracting? Here what getting? First tell me. Anything not there here? Here 1 gave na here. 1 gave means here. You take largest number. Anything not gave is 7 take here. 6 there na you take 7. 1 gave na here. 6 left here. Okay, how we will know sir? Sir, how we will know? This here you see. Okay, this one sir 7 how you take sir? You have some doubt. General common thing you see 2 there here. 2 here 6 there. Subtraction from see 2 here 6 means from what number to subtract is 6 getting 12 minus 6 is 6 na. Here 12 taking from borrow here. 1 taking is 12. 12 minus 6 6 na. This is 6 only. Means here. Here anything from C here 12 minus 6. Okay, some otherwise you taking from here. For example, here anything here 6 minus 6 1 here 7 taking is 6. Okay, here only 6 there is 1 given a 5 na taking from here na 15 minus 6 na here 15 minus 6 means what is 9 na. Anyone you have to take, but here see for example here 7 taking means 0 coming. Okay. 8 taking means how much coming? 8 taking means how much coming here? 1 gave na 8 minus 6 2. 9 taking means 9 taking means here see 1 gave na 8 left. 8 minus 6 here. 7 taking means 1 gave here 6 minus 6 0. 8 taking means 7 minus 6 1. 7 minus 6 1. 9 taking means 2 coming. Okay, like this. Again below numbers taking is what sir? Below numbers taking in that 5 taking means it is here for example 7 na 6 take here 6 take here 6 taking means 1 gave here 5 minus 6 take 1 take borrow from here 15 minus 6 15 minus 6 9. Okay, here 5 taking means 1 gave na 4 14 minus 6 8. Next here you see. Next here 4 taking is 1 gave na here. 1 gave is here 13 minus 6 7. 3 taking is 1 gave na 12 minus 6 6. Next 2 take 1 given of 1 11 1 6. Okay. Next it is this much only. Again here 1 take 1 given of 0. 10 minus 6 4 coming. 10 minus 6 4 coming. Okay. These are the numbers. From here 3 numbers there. Here 1 2 3 4 5. Which number you have to take your Kishore? Okay. Here 1 we gave na 1 left here. 1 we gave na 1 we gave means what left here? 1 left. Okay. 11 minus 6 here. 11 minus 6 it is 5 na. That is why here 1 gave means here 11 1 gave is 1 left na. It take borrow from left side. It becomes 11. 11 minus 6 5 coming. That is why here not taking borrow from this side. Never take borrow. Understand what I am telling here? These least numbers don't take here. All of you. Remember that. See here, 12 minus 6 only 6. From left side to here borrow taking means this 6 not coming. That is why here take largest number. Largest number in that 6, 8 and which one takes least number take 0 came na 7 one take here. Are you clear students? Are you clear na? These 3 columns very easy. Here what takes are means here 7 taking means 0 coming. 8 taking means 1 coming. 9 taking means 2 coming. Check here. 7 taking na 1 gave na 6 minus 6 0. 8 taking 1 gave na 7 minus 6 1. 9 taking na 1 gave na 8 minus 6 2. But here below numbers taking means here 6 not taking here. Below numbers taking is 1 borrow taking na 1 borrow taking is 6 not. That's why below numbers don't take. From these 3 numbers to take smallest number 0 gave na 7 not take. 7 minus 6 1. Okay, madam. Next students, here take borrow from here. Take borrow. It becomes 12 minus 6 6. Here what takes are here? 1. What take here? 1 2 1 or 2 because 1 or 2 anyone 1 take means here 0 coming. 2 take means 1 gave na 1 left. 2 take na 1 take means 0 take. Anything is 0 1. Here you take subtraction better here. I forgot to take subtraction here. See beta here you take 0 only. Anytime smallest number 0 only take. 1 take here 1 take means 1 gave na 0 minus 0 0. 2 taking is 1 given 1 minus 0 1 only. Like this anytime least number to take here. Here least number, here least number. This is our required number. Understood all of you beta? See beta, here didn't mention negative or positive. Here didn't mention negative or positive. Didn't mention anything here. That is why I am taking minus 1 time plus I am taking. 1 time plus 1 time minus taking beta. Understand all of you? This is the procedure. 8 minus 1 7, 9 minus 7 2, 14 minus 8 6. Yes, 7 not take. How we will take explained here? Below numbers taking means here 6 not take. That's why 7 not take. Least number take here. 8 9 don't take. Next here 1 taking means 1 give na here 0 left. 0 minus 0 0. Next you take addition. Addition see beta. See 8 how much are here 7 coming? 8 plus 9. 1 carry. Next 1 plus 7 8 na 8 how much are is 2 coming 12 is 4 take here. Okay na 4 12 means 1 carry. 1 plus 4 5 5 plus 3 5 plus 8 13 1 carry. Next 1 plus 6 7 na 7 means here see but here 2 there. First of all this column see 2 how much are 6 coming 2 4 means 6 only coming na 2 4 means 6 coming here. Okay, here never take anything here bar not coming because here anything you want see here 3 plus 13 means 1 coming 1 plus 6 7 how much add means here 6 coming anything not given take 0 here not given anything not given 0 6 plus 1 7. Next here 2 how much add means 6 coming 4 add means 6 coming. This is our required answer beta all of you. Homework beta see homework practice these problems only from this week. Practice these problems or tables. Problems or tables. From this bit 2 problems practice.